all of her reviews were glowing.
So Stacey Franklin says she decided to trust the reviews and called Talia Yadgar with ticket secrets back in March.
I reached out and said, I'm looking for tickets for Brandi Carlile. Do you have any available? And she said yes.
She paid $440 for those tickets to be delivered at a later date, then watched Yadgar's business implode after Yadgar didn't get expensive tickets to customers for Zach Bryan and Morgan Wallen shows at Mile High.
I sent her a message on Facebook, said, I'm assuming that I'm not going to get tickets. I paid you $440 on this day, and I didn't ever get a response from her.
In July, Franklin called the El Paso County Sheriff.
I just figured one more voice in this was worth making a report, that law enforcement needed to know how many people were involved.
This summer, prosecutors down in the Springs filed a felony theft charge against Yadgar for taking $2,500 from someone else for Taylor Swift tickets and never delivering. In the months since, Steve on Your Side has learned Yadgar filed for bankruptcy, listing her customers as some of her creditors, saying in total she owes more than $750,000. In court Tuesday morning, Yadgar was expected to enter a plea agreement on the felony, an agreement now put on hold because of a new charge, a misdemeanor theft charge for Stacey Franklin's $440.
Still, I wouldn't have known if you hadn't reached out to me.
Franklin already got her money back.
When I provided your story and some other documentation, my credit card company investigated, and I got a notice in the mail that said that they had reversed the charges.
And she did get to that Brandi Carlile show, just had to pay more to do it. She's just glad the story of Talia Yadgar is still ongoing.
My understanding, she hasn't taken any responsibility for this and continues to deny. She immediately wanted to file for bankruptcy. It's like she's just running. That's not okay.
Yadgar is due back in court in mid-January, where a judge will decide whether to join these two cases together or not and how to move forward from there. I checked in with a bankruptcy law expert today who said looking at the court filing or bankruptcy filing, it's unlikely that anyone in this case will see their money back. If you use a ticket broker, you want to ask if they have a consumer protection policy and if they're part of the National Association of Ticket Brokers. I'm Steve Stager, Steve on Your Side, 9 News.